Oh my goodness. Okay, hold on. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Young, back with another video. Thank you so much for joining me today. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a full face, and we are going to only be using affordable drugstore products. So I'm really excited to do this video, not only for you guys, but for me too, because I'm a Sephora girl and I'm willing to spend the extra penny on some makeup. But I do think it's important to have some alternative options. I've watched a lot of different makeup tutorials where, you know, the face looks just as good with the drugstore products, and drugstore products are significantly cheaper. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Before we even get started, make sure that you are subscribed. Trying to get to 500 subscribers, guys, so thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed so far. Let's just go ahead and get started. I decided to bring us in the living room, give us a little natural light action in the back. We still got our ring light behind us, you know, just something new for you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Alright guys, so first we are going to be priming our face with this e.l.f. Blemish Control Face Primer. Let me see if you guys can see that. So anything that says it's going to control a blemish, I'll take it. I'll be using this NYX Tame and Frame eyebrow pomade. If you guys can't tell, I am trying to give India RB vibes today. Okay. Are you ready for love? Okay. Alright guys, I'm going to be using the LA Pro Girl Concealer in the color Warm Honey to conceal under my eyebrows. Okay, so I did get some new beauty blenders, which I was overdue for a new beauty blender, honestly. I really was, so. Okay, so I am using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the color Wheat, which now that I'm taking it, so this is the thing when it comes to, you know, drugstore makeup. I need help with my colors, or I need samples. Like, I need to be able to try things out, because I cannot look at colors and be like, okay, this is the color that's gonna match me. So I'm a little nervous about this concealer. It's looking a little light, but I might be able to make it work. So why did I get it this light? We're gonna try it out, but that's what I do love about Sephora, just because, you know, you can talk to a professional and they can help you find your color, and they got that little machine and everything. So whatever, we're still gonna slay, y'all. We are still gonna slay. So I am going to conceal. Oh, this may not be too bad. It might not be too bad. Ooh, it's a little ashy, y'all. It's a little ashy. Oh no, y'all. Oh my goodness. Okay, hold on. Fuck. It's okay, I have faith. I'm not tripping. I'm not tripping. It doesn't look like I'm tripping, because I'm not tripping. I've been doing this new method. I look crazy. I've been doing this new method where I do my concealer and then I do my foundation, because one of my favorite YouTubers, Arnell Armand, does hers that way, and I love her and everything she does. So I just been copying it with like the makeup I usually use, and my makeup has been coming out you know, beautifully. But I don't know how well it's gonna work with this because these colors, I know I look crazy, y'all. It actually looks worse in the camera than it does in person, but I'm going to make it work, okay? Trust me. So it's safe to say that this is not my concealer color. But it's okay, because the thing with makeup is that you can fix things. You know, when you mess up, it's not the end of the world. You can fix it. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of that same Pro Girl concealer on the top, just a little bit. Just to make it like, you know, the color it should be. So just to like calm it down a little bit. I don't know why it looks white on camera, because it really does not look white in person. That is so weird. So weird, but okay. So I think what we can take away from this is make sure that you have the right colors. Crazy. Oh my goodness, this is so funny. Okay, so for my foundation, I can't take myself seriously. Please take me seriously, guys. Like, I promise you I'm gonna look good at the end of this video. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth foundation. And this color is Warm Honey. They had little pictures, you know, underneath the different shades of girls, and I tried to pick the girl that looked the most like me. It got kind of dark. Okay, please match me. Please match me. Please. First feedback on this foundation, the consistency is cool. The color doesn't perfectly match me, but it is very close. However, it's not enough coverage to me. I can still see some of my blemishes through, so I don't like that, but nothing another layer can't fix. I'm stressed. I think it's the light, bro. I'm telling you guys, it doesn't look like that in person. It's really blowing me. Okay, guys, this is, woo! This is not going how I planned, but it's okay. It is okay. So, finally got the foundation doing a little something, something. I am going to use that light concealer, just like a dot, just to brighten up under my eyes a little bit, because to me it doesn't really look like I have concealer on, because I was really trying to cover it up because it was so bright. Now I'm going to set with this Airspun loose face powder in the color Honey Beige. Okay, so now we're gonna use the Black Radiance True Complexion Cream Contour Palette. It's the medium to dark palette, those 3 shades there. So I'm gonna use the darkest one. Look, we coming along, y'all. I'm seeing it, and I told y'all, see what happens when you think positively. Brush the setting powder off. This is coming out pretty, and I hope that you guys can see it, because this lighting is, this camera is just like, I don't know, she's blowing me today. Okay, so I'm gonna take that Sculpt shade to contour my nose. I don't want it to be like hella dark. That's not cute. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Spray and Set. Ooh, that is really nice. That feels great. All right, so we are going to be using this Rose Quartz Pressed Pigment Palette, and this is actually not from Target. This is from Five Below. So I didn't even know that Five Below had a whole beauty section, and I saw this and I was like, oh, this is a pretty palette. Let me show you guys. So these are some, you know, pretty colors. I'm using the Ardell Eye Opening Effect Extension FX lashes. I will be using this Maybelline Fit Me blush in the color Plum. I don't know, I kind of forgot that this is the color blush I got, so I don't know if this is really gonna go with my makeup or not, but we're gonna try it.
If you say yes, I'll give thanks. If you say no,
I don't like that blush. Dang, why did I get a pink blush? Okay, I'm gonna try to use some of this Illuminate. I don't know, we're just gonna try it. Alright, I feel like that warmed it up. Yeah, that warmed them up a little bit. I just needed a little bit of color, you know, just a little bit. All I really need is a little bit. A little bit of it. A little bit of it. Alright, let's put some lipstick on so we can stop looking crazy. Alright, so we're going to be using this e.l.f. Lip Liqueur in the color Moody because that describes me to a T. This is a really like cute little color. Okay. Is there anything else? Should I do anything else? Because I don't know. Let me see. This looks so bomb in my mirror, and I just really hope, because as you guys could tell, the lighting was just really giving me a hard time today, and that's just because I'm out here. I don't know. I wanted to switch up the scenery, guys, and I didn't consider that the sun would be, you know, whatever. So hopefully it's translating, because I know this started off bad, but this looks so pretty in my mirror, and I cannot wait to take some selfies. Let's set our face one more time, just to, you know, finish the job. The setting spray just, you know, lets it all melt in. Ah! Oh my goodness, it looks so good. For the low, come on, affordable drugstore tutorial, period. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. It was a rocky road, but I told you guys in the beginning that I was going to get it together. And if I must say so myself, a bitch got it together. Okay, so if you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. This is a great look for spring. If you guys decide to recreate this look, make sure you tag me. I would love to see your pictures. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Okay, that's enough for real.